They're old bed though. You can hear the creaks.
It's very squeaky. For those of you guys who might be interested in knowing
squeakiness level.
If the beds are squeaky, they are both very squeaky. Today we're staying at the Riverside Hotel in Florida. The day before we depart to the cruise, wanted to go ahead and take the opportunity to show you guys what we have just for the night.
Room 1202, and let's get into your crib.
Welcome to my crib for the night.
Hey, there's a kid here.
It comes included on the room, so just be aware.
There's a kid over there. So when you walk in, you get a kid included with this room, and then Jonathan will take you around.
Riverside. All right, guys, just to show you the space of this room. This is fantastic. This is huge. It's obviously more than what we probably need for the three of us. This is like probably as wide as our home hallway when you come into the hotel room.
But you know, gotta be extra.
Lighting. They have like nice little lamps. Just to give you guys good illumination in the space. You know what I do really love is the colors that they have on each one of the spaces. Like this kind of like green. It gives you this like soothing kind of like atmosphere in the room. Especially when you have like such a big room, you do want to see some color because you have a lot of space. If everything was white, it would look really, really plain. But it's really, really nice. You got some really, really nice details. I mean, look at this table. The table's fantastic. I really like it. Another nice lamp too, and everything is pretty much matching colors. You have your sofa, I guess your little center area for you to just sit down and relax when you come into the hotel, which I think is fantastic. I mean, I don't think when you're staying in a hotel you really need more than that. I also like this little table that they have in the room.
You know what? Maybe we should do takeout and just stay in the room tonight.
We probably will not do that because we're on vacation and don't nobody wants to do takeout when you're on vacation. But I can tell you, I really like just the details. Like everything is very comforting in the room. The table is simple, a two-seater. Like I said, it's just exactly what you need when you're staying in the hotel room. The TV's nice. You have a nice sized TV, and guess what? When we get to the room, I'm gonna show you not only one, but you get two TVs.
Oh.
Nice size each one of them. I want to say a good 48 inches TVs that you get, which it's not like when you come to the hotel you really watch a lot of TVs, but it's good to have those details. And then when you go into,
so this is kind of like your living area.
yeah, this is like the other area in the living room. You actually got like not necessarily a kitchen, but just like a, I guess your beverage area that you can just go ahead and store your cold drinks over there, the beers, wines, whatever you feel like it, and you have the fridge that is included, and it gives you this feeling of, I want to say like a homey feeling that you can definitely have. This is one of the spaces that I really like about the hotel room. It has like your regular stuff, your coffee maker, you have your little ice containers if you want to fill up with ice and just have a few drinks in the night. It's pretty cool. It's like I said before, just what you need really. You have a little bit of storage here, nice size drawers.
This is nice if you're spending some time.
Yeah, you can put your, if you have, I guess, grocery there. Now keep in mind there's no stove, so you know it's not designed for you to come and cook a big Caribbean meal in the hotel room. It's just as simple as it can get. I love this detail though. You have this huge double doors when you're coming into the room, and you get this feeling like, you know, you're opening the doors to the palace when you're going into the room. Da-da-da! It's like a nice open area. I love the double door concept, especially when you're coming into the room. Here, you have the other TV that I was telling you guys about. It's the same size as the one in the living room, which is a very, very decent sized TV. The colors on the walls, they match the colors in the living room, and everything kind of like falls in place into the room. 2 full-size bed. They feel very comfortable. I haven't
Can you do me a favor?
Get on them yet, but they feel
Can you
pretty comfortable.
come test the bed out for mommy?
This is where we're gonna be spending the night.
Zaya is gonna be the bed tester.
Hi.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, expeditions.
How does the bed feel? It's very
That's a little squeaky.
squeaky
It's
as
a
ever.
squeaky bed.
Okay, is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Babe, check that one. See if it's comfortable. They're
It's
all bed though. You can hear the creaks.
it's very squeaky. For those of you guys who might be interested in
And
knowing,
knowing squeakiness level.
if the beds are squeaky, they are both very squeaky. I like the details because you can see the nightstand. It's big. You have a lot of storage. So if you want to unpack your stuff and you want to keep everything
Yeah, because
indoors,
some
then
people like to unpack when they get into a hotel, like
Right.
completely. But we're just using it for one night, so
they
there's
have your
no need for
modern
that.
touches as well. Like you have your dock station here for your phone. It looks like it is compatible with iPhone and Android. So that's pretty cool to have if you want to just set your phone there to charge and set up your alarm and all that kind of stuff. It's actually pretty neat. You have enough connections here. You got 4 USB connections there. For those of you guys who would like to carry, your tablet, your phone, your iPod, your computer, whatever it is that you want to plug in there. So you have plenty of connections available for you to charge your devices. This is also something that I probably in the past would have used a lot. A desk to be able to do your work. I know there's a lot of people that usually rent this kind of rooms when they come in for a business and they want to get some work done while they're in the room. This is actually a very spacious desk that they give you. It's not your typical small hotel desk. This is like a full-size desk that you can have and you can do your work if that's what you came in here for. All right, guys, now I'm gonna show you probably one of the biggest shower spaces that I ever seen in a hotel room. And come with me and I'm gonna show you why I call this shower space, not necessarily a bathroom. Nice size door, so you don't have to come in the side. If you're a big guy like me, look at this space in this bathroom. This is something else, I'm telling you. You do have your toilet right here.
Oh, I didn't
Far
even see
enough,
that.
far enough from the shower. You do have your towels right here in case that you need extra towels. Your lighting. You do have your phone, which I noticed is actually a trend. I personally don't necessarily understand the
Maybe an
concept
emergency.
of having the phone next to the toilet, but if you guys know better than me, please comment below. Let me know, explain to Jay what exactly is the phone next to the toilet for. But you can see here you have your standing shower. Nice sizable space. I do not want to get on it because I still have my shoes on and I don't want to transfer that into the shower area. But you got some pretty nice golden details.
They use, what is this?
All your toiletry
Biography.
stuff, as you can expect, all your lotion.
Artisan massage bar. It's
Looks
not
like a
soap,
pretty
it's
good
a
quality
massage bar.
products they actually give you.
It's not a soap, it's called massage bar.
Well, they got everything there.
No, that's what they call the soap, a massage bar.
Well, everything here has a different name. This is shower space. They don't call it soap.
Yeah, shower space.
Yeah, this is fantastic. Now, I do gotta say though, I personally, I'm not a huge fan of golden details. If you can see, this is a fantastic size.
You don't like it? I think it's elegant.
I don't necessarily, I feel it's very tacky. I do not
Really?
like golden details on home stuff, but it's really nice. I mean, I guess this is go for like an Aladdin theme or something like that, because this is like the magic lamp. You can see it right here.
It does look like
Rub it, and the water comes out. No, I'm playing. It's not that modern, but it has some pretty nice touches though.
I think the gold
Everything
is
looks
pretty.
nice
So
and
what color
clean.
would you put?
I would put my regular
Silver?
silver, maybe chrome color, maybe some bronze color. I just really feel that the golden decorations are a little bit tacky, but that is just my taste. That is just Jay's taste. So we can just, to finish up, you got more towels over here, everything at your disposal. You do have your sink right here, a little more toiletry like moisturizers, face soap and things like that if you want to use. Nice lighting in this little area. I do wish it was a little brighter. I get this feeling that it's a little bit darker than what I really would like it to be.
They wanted to have an ambiance.
Yeah, they probably do, but
It's a huge mirror.
right, but it's okay. It is a huge mirror, so that's something definitely worth mentioning. All right. Behind the door, which I always forget to look at, thank God I have a wife who actually look for this stuff. So check behind the door. I totally missed it the first time, but my beautiful lady found it. It's there. If it's anything that you might need, obviously you can always just contact the front desk and they will help you. I doubt that there is something that they're going to be missing. But it's a pretty nice space. One of the things that I do not necessarily like is that they give you this nice size full desk, but then it's in the way with a closet door. So if you have anything big that you actually want to get into the closet, it's kind of like on your way. So you might bang.
There's a safe.
Yeah, you might bang the door with the desk. You have your safe
machine. So that's not set up right.
It's okay. I mean, honestly, it's not a big deal, but it is on the way. So if you want to get into the closet, you can. Last but not least, team, let's go ahead and check out the view that we get for the day. This is probably my favorite space, my favorite area in the whole hotel room. It's a space that you get to see outside. Come with me. This is really nice. Yeah, I don't know if for the city noise you're gonna be able to see. We do have your canal view right there, so you're able to see the boats. Especially in the nights, it's pretty neat because you can actually see all the lights when they go through and everything. The view from the different residential buildings that you have in the area. Now, something that is worth mentioning, and this might be just a matter of what's going on right now, is that you have a lot of construction going on right in front of us, right? It looks like they are working in some kind of like small park or something next to the hotel, and another construction right across the street as well. So it is a little bit loud out here, just because of the construction going on. But at the end of the day, it is a nice view just because of the skyline that you're going to get from your own hotel room. I do like it, and I feel that once all the construction is done, it's going to be a really nice space for you guys to come and enjoy a little bit of peace time, especially if you come in like us, that we're just getting ready to rock and roll tomorrow in our next cruise adventure. This is what we have for today. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like this room. It's not much more to see, so if you're interested, just check it out. Like I say, room 1202. So yeah, it's a pretty big balcony. It's a pretty nice sized balcony. A lot of seating space. If you notice in the back, you do have a seat over there. You got 2 more seats over here. It almost feels like it will be a shared space between rooms because you got so much seating and walking space. It is huge. It is huge space. I mean, you've got more space here. There's no more seating, like chairs or anything like that, but it's a lot of space. It's definitely a lot of space.
It's a corner balcony. Oh, you have a view of Las Olas. So the Boulevard with all the restaurants and stuff is right down there.
Ooh! See all the way down there?
Look over there, it's a river.
Oh, I see. People are racing there. See? So, watching Expeditions. I hope you liked it. Give a million thumbs up if you can.